Hello and welcome to another quick update about Polkadot. Here the view remains that we will come down once more lower here in this wave 2 correction. At least it would be ideal, but I'm going to tell you what needs to happen in order to move up earlier without that move to the downside. So I'm telling you which level we need to watch out for. Overall, the bulls currently still seem to be defending the bullish scenario, which is great. So as long as we hold above this area here, above the wave X low, we can remain carefully bullish. So it would be 655 to 667. As long as we hold this area, the bulls can defend this scenario. Should we go below this level, it will be very, very difficult to justify still a bullish scenario. It is technically still possible, but will get much more unlikely. And in that scenario, then we would be in favor of a bearish scenario. Here for me at the moment, what did we do? We moved up in a wave 1, came down in a 2, moved up in a 3, down in a 4, up in a 5, in a leading diagonal. All of this can be seen as a leading diagonal. There's a couple of other labeling options, but they don't make a great difference. We then came down here in a wave 2. I think there is one more wave missing. First of all, ABC, and then in the C wave here, 5 waves. And yeah, we've moved up quite a bit. Pretty much still here, the same price level where we were already in the last video. We can calculate if the wave 4 moved up too much. As always, you know, the wave 4 can move all the way up to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. You can see we nearly reached that. That would have been at 781, 782. We didn't even get through that. You can see here the relevant, I believe that's the 50-day moving average, yes, which is currently at $7.80. That is also providing additional resistance basically. And therefore we got rejected basically as expected at the latest here at the 50% Fib level, because in a wave 4 you should not go above that. Now, small double top already, so it could very well be that we are heading down now in this 5th wave. We've already broken below the previous swing low. That is also a slightly bearish signal. And then in addition to that, we had here a bearish divergence on the on the hourly RSI. On the 4 hour we cannot see it, but on the hourly we saw it. And that is also another indication that this move here to the upside was possibly losing steam. And yeah, from that point of view, we could now, after we made here this ABC, we could now already be on the way to the downside. Now, what level would I expect to be reached in this scenario? We probably have to recalculate that now, because since the last video we had a little bit or a few price movements. Let's see, we have to adjust that a bit. So there's a few levels here. The first level would be the 693 level. That is the 1-to-1 ratio between wave 1 and wave 5. Absolutely likely target. Next target would be $6.40. Yeah, so 693 is the first target. If we hold this, that's fine. Then we can reverse up. If we lose it, it might be 640. That's the 1.618 wave relationship between the wave 1 and the wave 4. Yeah, so this is currently what is happening here. And in addition to that, as I said, ideally, I mean, the 640 level is still okay, but I don't want to stay below the wave X for a long period. So if we go below it, below that wave X here, and go to 640, then it should really only be maybe a wick or something on the 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Ideally not really below that. Yeah, and that's currently here how we see the market. So I basically expect one more dip down. That could have already started now. And then from here in the bullish scenario, at one of these levels, I would expect the wave 3 to the upside. The bullish scenario should then move above the wave 4 high. That's the first resistance and the 50-day moving average. And then the wave B high, $9.15, and then the high here of the wave 1 at $9.67. But that's for the future. First of all, we need to focus on possibly making one more low here and then moving higher from there. And that's my update about Polkadot. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.